Jingle bell.
Do you guys see how bright my room gets as soon as I wake up? No such thing as sleeping in, but good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Guys, Christmas is literally right around the corner. Like, Christmas is just now. It's pretty crazy how fast a month is going by, which means the new year is slowly approaching. Not even slowly, it's fastly approaching. I'm just getting up. I've been laying here actually like the regular schmegler, going through, scrolling through my social media, but I'm gonna get up, make my bed, and I don't want to shovel snow, but I may have to because my dad's leaving to work soon and Mike's gonna be going to work soon. Right now it's snowing, but I have to shovel the snow because you want to start shoveling it before it piles up. So one thing I hate about winter. And the thing is, like, where we live, we got the sidewalk, so you have to shovel it, because if anyone drops, you know, you're kind of liable type of thing. I'm gonna go start shoveling it before. See, someone over there. So even though it's snowing, someone over there is already shoveling, because it makes sense to shovel it now, but I don't want to shovel snow. They should have someone that comes and shovels your snow for you, like. Anyways, I'm gonna go do what I gotta do, because yeah, I just gotta go do what I'm gonna go do what I gotta do, so I'll be right back. I'm about to go on the road right now. Tomorrow's my dad's birthday, so I'm gonna go see if I can get him something. And I gotta go shovel snow off my car, and I'm not too excited about that because one, I don't have gloves, and I hate when my hands are cold, and I hate being cold. You guys probably know that by now. So I need to go try and pick up a pair of gloves because, yeah, I hate winter. I'm sorry, I hate it. This is just not for me. My jacket's so dirty because of my car. Some people are asking where my man's not hot jacket's from. It's Canada Goose. So I like it. It's really, really warm. Like, sometimes I get hot in this jacket. I'm anticipating going outside. Oh dear God. Pray for me. Well, shout out to my morning. Not too excited about this. The one ish I hate about winter. Nobody got time for this shit. So I'm in Walmart. I'm feeling for some stew beef. So I'm in Walmart trying to get stew beef because I'm feeling for it. Plus Keisha loves stew beef and we haven't had it in a while. So I'm like, you know what, let me actually go and get some, since there's none at home, so that I can make for her. That is what I'm doing right now. And then I gotta pick up some other stuff. It's like snowing so bad outside. It's freaking crazy. Like, it's snowing really, really bad. I'm trying to think, what else do I feel for? Camera, because inside Walmart is a little too packed and too crazy for me, so I just wanted to do what I was doing and come out because I already knew the lines were gonna get long. Top packet is in there, but about to head home. I'm gonna start cooking from now because stew beef kind of takes a while to cook, especially you want to get it like soft. So I'm out of breath. I'm gonna go home and do that, and y'all be right back and y'all can see how I cook my stew beef. I say that I dislike winter, I must say that when the snow's on the tree, it looks so pretty. When you ain't gotta shovel and touch it, that's when it's pretty. And when you ain't gotta feel the cold, that is when it's pretty. The trees look so beautiful, man. Makes me want to come out here with my camera and take some pictures. I just got back inside my house and I need to edit a video. I actually filmed this video using like actual mayonnaise in my hair, but I didn't like how the video came out, so I just deleted every damn footage. That's the one thing that's so annoying about being a YouTuber. Sometimes you record videos and they just don't come out great and it's like you just wasted your time, but it's part of it. My nose is so cold. I'm here trying to take some stuff off my phone because my phone is full, but I'm gonna start cooking my food. And I couldn't find anything for my dad. I ordered something online a couple of days ago, but I wanted to get in something else, but I couldn't find anything, so it's okay because Christmas is slowly coming up. So he's still good, yeah. Alrighty then. We're gonna be making some stew beef. So for my veg, I got my onions, green pepper, got some other bell peppers here. You don't have to, I just like to sometimes use the red. One thing I can say is that I'm so thankful that my parents taught me how to cook young. Like, I love cooking. It's like an art. I think I got that from my dad. My dad made a soup video and I recorded it and someone was saying how the knife is sharp. This knife is really sharp and it has like his name engraved on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says Chef Mike on it, but this knife is really sharp, but I love it because it just goes through, like, just slides through. But I'm just cutting some of these that are big. I'm just cutting them smaller. But yeah, as I was saying, yeah, I'm just really happy that my parents taught me how to cook young. I love cooking and I'm just happy that when I'm hungry, I know I can go make something. I don't have to really depend on nobody or have to wait on nobody. Yeah, some people are always scared to cook because they're scared like they might season it, like over season it, or they don't know what to add to it. But honestly, when you have your black pepper, your all-purpose seasoning, a little seasoning salt, your onion, like your veg, you're good. And it also depends what you're going for. If you're going for curry chicken, obviously you'd have like your curry powder. If you're going for stew, you'd have like your browning. It's not really that hard. You just cook it down. But yeah, there's the meat. Get some vinegar to wash. Because you know you're supposed to wash your meat. Just add a little water. You'll see a lot of stuff come off of this. Like, it's crazy to believe like people don't wash their meat. I used to hate cutting onions because it would always make me cry, like, and my dad would always make us cut it, even though it made us cry. Just cut up like bell peppers. I'm gonna add some carrot and some potatoes later on as it's like close to finish, after it cooks down a little. I'm gonna add a little garlic. Actually, I'm gonna use garlic powder. So I'm just gonna go add my seasoning. Add some black pepper, a little bit of meat seasoning. I didn't cut no garlic, so I'm just adding a little. Optional, you don't have to. I'm gonna add a little bit of browning. Be careful when you use this, because if you pour too much, it's just gonna be so dark and just so bitter. A little goes a long way. Add just a little bit of soy sauce. A little bit. My pot's on, I just put it on so the oil's getting hot. But yeah, this is the meat seasoned up. And I'm just gonna go dump it in the pot. Just let it cook down a little. But I'm gonna have to like keep checking it to make sure that the gravy doesn't dry down. And add a little water and a little water and a little water as we go along. I remember when I was younger and I was growing up in Jamaica. And like, anytime my grandma was making, my grandma that passed away, whenever she was making rice, she would always sit and like pick out these little things that were in before my camera decided to shut off. That's the one thing I don't like about this camera. It's that it overheats quickly. That's the one downfall about this camera. Other than that, like, I like it, but just that. But anyways, as I was saying, I remember when I lived in Jamaica and growing up, I seen my grandma that passed away. I would see her sit there and with when she's cooking rice, she would sit there and pick out any like little grains or like whatever shouldn't really be in the rice, or like these little black things. And it I'm just thinking back, and I'm just happy that I got to experience those little things with her, because it's like memories now. There's a lot of stuff that I learned in Jamaica that I never used to like do up here, and that's the one thing I like about being able to experience both culture, because there's a lot of stuff that you do in Jamaica that you wouldn't do here. There's a lot of stuff you do here that you wouldn't do in Jamaica. I just added in my potato and carrot. This is basically almost done. Just waiting for my potato to cook. And the good thing is the potatoes help your gravy to thicken up a little. And I did add a little bit of ketchup. I don't like overdoing it with the ketchup, but just waiting for my potatoes to cook right now. This is the final product.